Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best chicken roasters review powered by the Products Review. Prepare tender turkey, slow-cooked stews, and more with the 22-quart Oster Roaster Oven. Equipped with a self-basting lid that continually recirculates moisture, this electric oven eliminates the need for hand basting to help save you time and energy. The high-domed lid accommodates turkeys up to 26 pounds. With its adjustable temperature dial, this versatile electric oven allows you to roast, slow cook, or bake a wide variety of dishes. The convenient keep warm setting keeps food at an ideal serving temperature. A removable enamel on steel pan and rack make this electric roaster easy to clean, and the stainless steel exterior attractively complements a variety of decors. Make grilling for a party simple and easy with our amazing chicken leg grill. This rack is designed to hold 12 individual chicken legs or wings upright for grilling and cooking. It allows the poultry to grill vertically while ensuring all-around airflow and even cooking. And you have more space to grill other foods while your delicious wings or chicken legs are slowly cooking to perfection. It features a non-stick surface with a drip pan, making it incredibly simple and easy to use. For a healthy, perfectly roasted chicken cooked in either the oven or on the barbecue, use the Fox Run Vertical Poultry Roaster. Cooking your chicken in this upright manner is better for you, as oils and fats strip away, leaving the skin crispy and the meat succulent and tender. Be sure to use your own drip pan or roasting pan to catch drippings. Holds a chicken up to 8 pounds. Fully roast your bird from the inside out, while unhealthy fat drips away.